Hello. Welcome to the vlog. Hi, my name is Marissa, and together with my close friend Mieke, I've been traveling through Thailand with a backpack.
And we started our trip in Bangkok, and from there we went to Khao Yai, Ayutthaya, took the night train all the way to Chiang Mai, biked to Pai, biked back to Chiang Mai to take an airplane all the way down to Krabi, and from there we took a boat to Phi Phi, which is where we are right now. And from here we'll go to Khao Sok to travel back to Bangkok, from where we'll go to the last destination of this trip, which is the river Kwai.
Welcome to Phi Phi. This is Phi Phi Island. It has a lot of pretty beaches like this. We're staying here for 3 days. It's a couple of days at the beach, snorkeling, swimming, relaxing. On the other side of Phi Phi Island, you arrive on the ferry at the other side, and here you have the party side. There's already some bar playing a song. Tonight apparently there's a party there. Welcome to Khao Sok National Park. We booked a one-day trip tour and are currently walking back from a cave. It is so cool here. It feels unreal, but it's also pretty slippery here. So just be aware of your shoe choice, because mine wasn't that smart. Even though the lady in the hotel said, oh, you should wear slippers, that's better. No, it's not. Don't wear slippers. Just don't. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We just got dropped off. It's been a rough night, especially with this music. We're barely awake, and now we have to sit here and think about our next step to go to Kwai River Hotel. I've had better mornings. Way better mornings.
I'm a writer and a lover. I'm a Middle West music man, and I've been to...
We just arrived on the dock. We just booked a taxi from Grab, and we're about to take the boat to the Floatel Hotel here in the river Kwai. It's not even focusing. There we are. Hello, we're in the dark. A good thing to know, I hope it's clear enough, is that this hotel is electricity free. Every single light here is from gas lanterns. Okay, I'm almost completely gone. And probably just a floating hat
And other than that, I hope you can still see me, because oh, hello. Because it's electricity free, you don't have internet either. But they do have Wi-Fi in the restaurant area. That's super romantic. I really think you should go here if you're a couple. Mieke and I jokingly said that this is our honeymoon, because we totally do stuff that only honeymoon couples would do. And now we're sleeping here. And now Mieke is making funny... Ooh, I want to vlog that too.
This is my best one.
Okay. What is it?
Oh, then we have the butterfly.
Okay.
Or a bat.
Or a bat. I think it's more of a bat. Yeah, this is a bat.
We have
a bunny? No.
no.
What? Oh, what
It's
is
supposed to be a duck.
an ostrich? It looks like an ostrich.
Oh, come! Oh!
Gave show, Mieke. Good show. Hello again. So we've just been supping, and today was so much fun. I mean, we took the paddleboard. Mieke actually drove into the into a bush. Yeah, but you can actually do that here at the River Kwai Jungle Rafts. It's super easy. What? How did you get in there? So yeah, the thing is, you jump here in the water, glide all the way over there to the ending point where you see the red flag, and climb out. Filmen.
You see here a white female in the wild, searching. Hè? Daarvoor. Voordoor. She's a female in the wild. Well, she has to learn. She's still young, but she won't go either way. Yeah? See you later in a new episode of Dave Attenborough.
So this floating hotel is run by the Mon people that live in the village next to the floatel. I don't know, everyone from that village apparently works here and does their own kind of thing. We have a bartender, it's always the same man. We have a lantern man, it's always the same man who lights the lanterns.
That's my dream job.
The lantern
The
man.
lantern man.
And we also met one guy, his name is Pat, and he also works here, and he was telling that how this all works as a community and how they provide
for the tourists here. But he was so kind to give us the traditional makeup that you can probably see still a little bit on my face. He gave me hearts and he gave Mieke flowers and a bear for some reason
Or
on her
Mickey
forehead. Or a Mickey Mouse.
It's so nice as a backpacker that you just have a connection with these people. You meet them one day and it's just like fate brings you together. Like you say, oh, let's do a pub quiz, and then you get stuck with each other on the table and then you become best friends for the next 3 days.
Yeah.
And they say, oh, what are you doing tomorrow? Well, come with us. And I think that's that's the best thing about backpacking.
And that's how I get why people would say, especially backpackers, that Pai really is that place to meet those people and to go out and have fun and experience what a traveler experiences, which is new stories from each and every one, and just enriching your own being as a human, I guess, by meeting all of those people. It was really nice.
Yeah, it was.
And then also meeting.
And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these vlogs, because I do this as a hobby and it means a lot for me to share this with you. Please stay tuned because I am planning on vlogging more. So see you in the next one.